everyone, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. I feel like I haven't said that in so long. To be exact, I feel like it's almost 5 months, okay? And I'm so sorry, you guys. I know you guys have been checking up on me and seeing how I'm doing, and I am doing great, and I appreciate every single one of you that have checked on me within the time I took a break from the channel, you know, because life's just been busy. Your girl does work a full-time job, you know, that does take a lot of my time, but it's worth it because it helps to fund my doll hobby. So if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Katrina, and I am an adult doll collector. I collect Barbie dolls, 18-inch dolls, baby doll, Reborn like dolls, and today I have a special box opening of a brand new baby that I got from Aliexpress. So let's go ahead and look at some cute things that I purchased for my new baby doll, and let's go ahead and get into it. So first we're gonna get into the clothes that we got for my new baby doll. So it is a boy, so you guys will be able to tell by the clothes, and I put all the clothes in this Disney bag because I've been shopping for this doll for the past 2 weeks while I was waiting for it from Aliexpress. So there's a couple goodies in here for me to show you guys. So let me show you guys the first thing that I got. So the first thing that I got is this set right here that I got from TJ Maxx, and it's from the brand Liam and James, and it's a 0 to 3 months. This new baby doll could wear 0 to 3 months or newborn, and it has these cute shorts with a bow in the front, and it's a cute cream yellow color, and I do like this. This is very much my style, and it cost $4.99, which was a really good deal. The next thing that I got, two-piece set, and as you can see, it is missing one part of it because the baby that I'm showing you today, I put him together. I got the kit from AliExpress and I put him together with my liking, and I can't wait for you guys to see him, and he's wearing the first outfit that's in this pack. But the second outfit has these cute dinosaurs on it, but the other outfit has this print right here. Then this is the dinosaur one in the back, and it snaps in the back. And this one costed me $6.99. Then I saw this right here, and it was so cute, I couldn't pass it up. It says, "Here comes the sun." I know that's really popular nowadays with babies and baby showers. I thought this was so cute, and I saw it in TJ Maxx, and it was $5.99, and it comes with this shirt, and then it comes with some cute shorts that has suns on them, and it comes with a little bucket hat, which I think is really cute, and I love that so much. Then I saw this little jersey onesie, and I thought it was so adorable, and I was like, I have to get this because personally I'm from Miami, and for where I'm from, our team is the Miami Dolphins. So this is number 1 from the Miami Dolphins, the jersey, and it's NFL apparel, and you guys won't believe how much I got this for. So usually these cost a lot of money. So originally it's $15, I got it for $10, which is pretty good price for apparel for the NFL, and I do love that. And it's so cute, and it's in the size 0 to 3 months. Okay, so next I'm gonna show you this cute onesie that I got from the Disney store. So it's this cute onesie of Ratatouille. Fun fact about me, I love the movie Ratatouille. It's one of my favorite Disney movies of all time, and I absolutely love it. And I got this cute onesie in the Disney store outlet in the mall, and it has a cute picture of the two rats from the movie hugging a piece of cheese that's shaped like a heart, and this is in the size newborn. Again, this dog could wear a newborn or 0 to 3 months, and this cost $7.99 on sale, and I do love it. It's so cute. The original price was $20, so that's a good deal, and I'm definitely gonna go back to get some more cute little Disney outfits, but I just saw this and I grabbed it in the moment. And I did get some more Disney stuff for my fashion dolls, my 11.5-inch dolls, so stay tuned for that because we're gonna do a lot more things in this channel because I collect all kinds of dolls. If you guys don't know, I collect Barbie dolls, I collect every kind of doll. So the next thing that I got for my new baby doll is from Amazon. I got it from the children's place in Amazon, and it's 2 packs right here, and let's go ahead and get into them. Outfit is a 2-piece set, and these are the pants to them, and it has like a little wood theme to them with little bears and reindeer, and I love reindeer, and I feel like this is really festive for like the Christmas season, and this can also be like winter or fall, and I really like that. So these are some long pants, and then it also comes with this long sleeve shirt, which is so cute. Again, it has the same designs on it. You see a little fox right there. Really cute, and I love that. This is in the size 0 to 3 months, and it's from the Children's Place. So the next set that I got from the Children's Place is another 2-piece set that has these plaid pants. And I love the color of this plaid. It's very cute. I love neutral brown colors, so when I saw this, I had to get it, and it's so cute, little plaid pants. And then to match it, it has this shirt that says "'Tis the season," which is super cute because we are in football season. I think this is going to be so cute on him, and he's so adorable. Wait till you guys see him. So now let me go ahead and show you guys my new baby doll, guys. So let's get straight into it. I'm gonna pull him over here. So this is my new baby doll, and he's so cute. He is the blue Sparrow scope. He's a replica of the blue Sparrow scope, and he's so cute, and I got him from Aliexpress. He came as a kit, and I put his kit together, and he's so cute. So let's get into his details. First thing we're gonna look at is his eyes. So he has these cute blue eyes. I did put in for brown eyes, but they ended up sending me blue eyes, but I don't mind as long as it had like the afro hair, because I really like the afro hair for my dolls personally, and it's super cute. He has really cute blushing on his cheeks and ears, and the eyebrows look really good, and I love that his mouth is kind of open. He can take a modified pacifier. For example, this is a Nook pacifier, and I just cut it on the end to fit in his mouth, and when I put it in his mouth, this is how it looks. It looks really cute. He does come with a magnet, but I don't know. I like the modified pacifiers without the magnet, but I did glue the magnet into his head, and he has really a lot of hair, and it's so cute. And I love that his hairline is very full in the front of his head, and it looks really cute. And he is a good sized baby, and look at his legs. His legs are really chunky, and I feel like the paint looks really good on him, and I really do love that. I love how chunky his legs are, and look at this. Look at his legs. It looks really nice. I first saw this baby on Cena's dolls, and when I saw it on there, I was like, I have to have that baby, because I'm very picky with my Reborn dolls that I have, because I don't want to have too many dolls to be overwhelmed. So I'm very picky with them, but this one I had to have him. Look at his nails, how they're tipped, so cute. And look at the palm of his hand. He has little chunky hands, and look at this is his other hand. Super cute. And he's wearing right now a 0 to 3 months. This is the other onesie that came in that pack, and let me show you guys his feet. Okay, so this is the bottom of his feet. So cute, and I love the detail on the bottom of his foot. And then this one right here, look at the little toe right there. That is so cute. And then look at the back, it's tipped, and I love the little blushing on him. It's so cute. And then look at the blushing on this toe right here. Super nice. And you see the blushing on his leg. This is a really nice doll. Like, I paid, I think, around maybe $40 for him on Aliexpress, and he's so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do plan on putting some braids in his hair, and he does have afro hair. Let me show you guys his hair before we go. He has this really cute afro texture hair, which is so cute on him, and he has a lot of it. I've seen a lot of people make this baby into a girl, but I don't know, when I saw him, I see boy, and plus since he doesn't have any lashes, I feel like he looks more like a boy in my opinion. But he's so adorable, and I cannot wait to take photographs of him. If you don't follow me on my Instagram is Bougie Doll Life, where I post pictures of my dolls. When I'm not really active on YouTube, I do post a lot on Instagram, and I put on my stories little crafts that I do for my dollhouse. As you can see, I have a new dollhouse, which I'm super excited to show you guys a lot of the things that I got for it. So as soon as I got this baby, I already knew what I wanted to name him, and he's so cute to me. And when I saw Cena's doll, she named it Baby Michi, and that is a really catchy name and it's really cute. So I wanted something close to it but not the same. So I came up with the name Malachi. So his name is going to be Malachi, and that's going to be his name. So go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to comment and subscribe, and turn on your notifications if you want to get notified anytime I post a video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.